It's a 2015 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, streaming audio, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and automatic transmission. Of the Odyssey's interior, Popular Mechanics describes it as astonishingly comfortable, very versatile, and exceptionally high quality. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Cain Toyota, driving beyond your expectations. We're conveniently located at 6527 Whipple Avenue Northwest in North Canton, Ohio, just 10 minutes from the Pro Football Hall of Fame.